What is up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can import products from Amazon to Shopify. So if you want to dropship Amazon products on Shopify, then this video is for you, and let's get started right now. But before we start, if you can drop a like on this video, that would be highly appreciated. So the first thing you need to do guys, you want to click on settings, the very bottom left, and you want to click on apps and sales channels, and you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Now in the top you want to search for Amazon dropshipping. Okay, so after you search guys for Amazon dropshipping, you will find this app. It's called Amazon Dropshipper Plus Walmart. I know this is named Walmart, but it doesn't have anything to do with Walmart. Probably you can also import products from Walmart, but we only use this for Amazon. Currently I only use this for Amazon. So you want to click on add app, and you need to click on install app in the top right. Just wait a few seconds and click on install app in the top right. And the second thing you need to do guys, you want to go to Amazon and you want to find the product that you want to import. Okay, so for example I'm going to go to Amazon here. I'm going to find a random product, so for example this one. In the top guys, you want to copy the URL of the product. Okay, I don't know why like they have a problem with the app. Maybe they are developing the app or anything or something like that. I'm just going to open it again. Okay, it says here, yeah, it works. So you just want to paste here the URL. As you can see, it says here, click on get the product. Like I see here, the URL of the Amazon product, click get the product, and you want to click on add to my store. And this product will be imported to your Shopify store. But by the way, after you import this product to Shopify store, each time you get a sale, you need to do it manually. So you need to go to Amazon and you need to click on add to cart and buy it now. So you buy it using the address of the customer instead of your address. I hope, like, probably you know all this information, that's why you are watching this video. So the product will be imported to your Shopify. I'm just going to search for it right now. Click on products, and this is the product. This is the product on Amazon, and this is the product on our Shopify store that we have imported a few seconds ago. So hopefully this video guys helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment.